red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now you're coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T W 2, and again use red color. Kids, now you draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use yellow color. Yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 4. F O U R 4, and again use yellow color. Kids, now you draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color. Blue color. F I V E 5. Kids, again use blue color and draw 6. S I X 6, the numbers of 6. Kids, now you draw 7, the numbers of 7, and use green color. Green color. S E V E and 7, the numbers of 7. Kids, again use green color and draw 8, the numbers of 8. E I G H T 8, the numbers of 8. Kids, now you draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use black color. Black color. N I N E 9, the numbers of 9. 10, the numbers of 10. T E and 10, and again use black color. Black color. Kids, now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids, now you draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 14, the numbers of 14. Kids, now you draw 15, the numbers of 15, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 16, the numbers of 16. Kids, now it is 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 17 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now 18. The numbers of 18 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 20. The numbers of 20 and again use green color. Green color. The numbers of 20. Kids, now 21. The numbers of 21 and use black color. Black color. (22). The numbers of 22. Kids, now 23. The numbers of 23 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 24. The numbers of 24. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. A is for ant. B is for bus. C is for cow. D is for duck. E is for eagle. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hen. I is for ice lolly. J is for jackfruit. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for sunflower. T is for tiger. U is for uncle. V V is for vanilla. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.